Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Notification Center. Click the date/time or swipe from the right. Once visible, click Edit Widgets to reveal installed widgets and layout controls. Make sure System Settings is open and go to Appearance. This is where accent and highlight colors live and will change many widget accents system-wide. While you're here, note which widget supports per-widget customization versus those governed by the system accent, because that determines what you can change next. Once you pick an accent color and appearance, many widgets update immediately to match. This is an effective way to change overall widget color quickly. If you need a single widget to differ, right-click that widget and choose Edit Widget. Some widgets expose color, background, or style controls in that panel. For deeper customization, open the app that provides the widget and look for appearance or theme settings there, because third-party widget controls usually live inside their own app. After adjusting accent and widget-specific controls, tap Done to save changes and inspect your widgets. If a widget still shows the old color, relaunch Notification Center by quitting Control Center from Activity Monitor or sign out and back in. These refreshes force UI repainting. Make sure the widget's host app is up to date, and if necessary, reinstall it. Sometimes older builds lack widget styling hooks. One key troubleshooting tip: check System Settings accessibility for color filters. If enabled, they can override widget colors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.